this video we're going to talk about comments, which is really hidden stuff, and these are the main symbols that we're going to be looking at here. So I'm going to look at this program called Pizza, but what I want to focus on is I want to focus on these gray areas here and these comments. So comments, again, are things that are hidden from the program. They don't actually get read. They don't actually output anything or do anything. So they're just they're used for a couple different things. Number one, they're used to label things in your program. So if you want to make it easier to read. So when someone's reading your program, if you just want to add little comments on the side for the reader, that's one way to do it. Another way to do it is to add in information. Like I can put in here who the author is. I could put in here the day I made it, and any of that stuff. So the key here, up on the top, again, remember this slash star says begin a comment. The star slash here means end the comment. So if I take these two out, notice that all of a sudden all of this stuff becomes gray, and I get this error here because it says incorrect package, because I've just basically hidden this. Remember, this now is not read by the computer because this slash star says begin a comment, and it is a comment till I see star slash, and I don't see star slash in that order till I get to right here. So this stuff is all not even read by the computer, and that's a problem. So I need to add that star slash back here, which says here's where my comment ends. So hello, you can't see me up here because the computer can't see this. I could do anything I want up there. And the second set here is just another comment, another way to do it. Now this star sometimes confuses people, but it doesn't really matter where it's placed, because remember, the slash star begins the comment and the star slash ends the comment. So inside here, a lot of people like to format this way, and there are this @ symbol has some meaning to it. I'm not going to talk about that in this video. I'm just going to say, maybe created on, and I just want to give it some credit. It was created June 7th, 2016. Okay, notice none of this stuff is part of my program as far as when it runs. This is just all labeling. And so, author, Dr. Hendermonger, okay, and maybe location, USA. Okay, so really, I have this here so that if anybody uses my program, I've credited myself. And again, it's a comment. You put anything you want in here as a comment. That's one way to comment. The slash star begins, and the star slash ends. And I've done that twice. Once here on the top, and once here in the middle. And there's another way to do it, though, is maybe I want to do it in the middle of my program. Okay, now this at the top, this slash star basically is used for multi-line comments typically, like I have it in the middle right here. I did a multi-line comment. That's more than one line. Now the top up here is not a multi-line comment, and it's okay to do what I did, but there is a second way, and the second way is simply to do two slashes. So two slashes like this is a single line comment. So notice this does the same thing. The slash slash tells the computer whatever's on this line, just ignore it because it's a comment. And it knows when it gets to the end of this line, it's kind of like adding the star slash. It's ending the comment. And notice I don't have any problems here. That type of comment is used most often in the middle of a program. Let's say I just want to add a comment here like slash slash he likes pizza, I guess. And maybe on the second line I add a comment like maybe he likes pizza a little too much. And notice none of this stuff. This stuff is gray, and on my screen means it's ignored by the computer. It doesn't run. It doesn't show up on my output. That's the main idea. It's just me, the programmer, commenting along the side, adding some thoughts and ideas. And in a program, a lot of times, those comments are used to explain what variables are. They're used to explain what the program is doing. They're used to give the reader some more information so that they can understand the program a little bit better. So the major things in this video to understand are how do you add comments? And the fact that they don't really show up in your output at all, they're just you documenting things. There's the single line comment with the slash slash, and there's a multiple line comment with the slash star to begin and the star slash to end.